When you in that fire, I'm the only one can save you. Why you say that? I'm the fireman. Go ask about me, I never ran. Young nigga with a whole lot of bands. I be losing my mind when I'm boxed in. I make that bitch do a handstand. Lot of dope.
What's good? It's your boy Brandon 450, and I'm back with a Storytime / Mukbang. I got some Zaxby's. This Storytime is gonna be about all the school fights I had. Alright, so the first one, this take place back in 2016. Yeah, because I was in 4th grade. So I was on because at Swartz we had 2 recesses, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. Alright, so me and I forgot who else was there. Oh, me, my homeboy Raekwon, and Javion. So, we all playing around, yada yada. Cause we were cracking on each other, y'all, we playing around. And Javion took it too far, cause he said something about my grandma. And so I got mad. I was like,
Faced with that, I'll beat your goddamn ass, you son of a bitch. You piece of shit. You fucking goddamn fucker. Listen, fuckhead. You have fucking crossed the line. Get that through your goddamn fucking head.
Some talking about fighting, I was like, you trying to fight with her? He was like, yeah. And then the bell rang, so we had to go back. We was like, we're gonna fight at second recess. So we like, bet. So second recess come. We for the ones who went to Swartz, it's a 4th graders on it was here. For second recess, it's the 3rd and 4th grade playground, and it's the 5th grade playground. Certain classes got to go on the 5th grade playground for second recess. There's a little blind spot where none of the teachers could see you. So we ducked off over there. And so we getting ready to fight. We throwing punches, yada yada. Then he swung and missed. And then I grabbed him. I picked him, I threw him on the ground. And I stopped because he fell like right around here on his shoulder, like neck. So I thought I broke his neck. I thought his neck broke, so I stopped. I was like, yo, you good? He got up. He was mad. I'm like, you good? And then they were like, and then the teachers was like, what are y'all doing over there? So we had to stop and we had to go on. We had to move away from there. So that was that fight. The second fight was in 5th grade at Swartz. And so this one, it was me and my homeboy Alex. He talked about this too on his video, but he didn't tell the whole story. I'm gonna leave his channel in the description. But what happened was, boom, second recess come. It was kind of wet outside, but Swartz, they tripped. If the ground was a little bit wet, we had to go inside for recess. And everybody know the inside recess, we couldn't this thing. We had inside recess, we had no concession. So that was automatic. We didn't like inside recess that week. And some of the kids, we had to read our books for recess. And then so this day, they didn't want tripping, so they were like, all right, I gotta go outside, but I want to stay on the concrete. And so we get out there, we all playing around. Alex, he had a whole bunch of hair in 5th grade. And so, it was a buzz outside, flying all around his hip. And he was trying to come and wipe his hair off on me, stuff like that. I'm like, dude, get back. So he running around trying to chase me and stuff. And then so, 2 minutes go by. At this point, I don't know he here no more, so I ain't worried about him. So, some girls with grab, they called me, they were like, Brandon, come here. So I don't hear, I ran over there. And next thing I know, he stuck his leg out and tripped me. I got him out, pushed him, and then he got up. But I ain't push him. I ain't even push him. I like pushed him like, dude, chill out. And then he hit me, boom. But I couldn't even do nothing because the teachers came. I was like, hey, stop. And then they suspended us for 2 days, either a day or 2, I forgot. And that was their fight. So boom, 6th grade. Well, it's not really a fight, but it was like I was into. But I still got suspended for it. All right, well, if you went to East Washington or Swartz, and you was at East Washington on 6th grade, 5th grade, or you went to Swartz 5th grade or East Washington 6th grade, y'all know Jordan Gay. His last name was Gay, so a lot of people cracked on stuff like that. And boom, so a lot of people automatically didn't really mess with him. So we 6th grade after breakfast, we watched they let us go outside like a little commons area. They let us like where the boys at, and then other side is girls. So we outside chilling. I was this is back when me and TV was cool. So I had a little beanie on, and then TV he was like, let me see real quick. T or TV the same place, certain places for y'all get confused. So he was like, let me see it. Right, I'm taking it off. Jordan, he come up and snatched it and threw it in the puddle. So I pushed him. He got mad. He ran off. He walked off. And then so we chilling. We because back then we used to have like little jigging sessions, little crack battles and all that, rap and stuff like that. So we just jokes and chilling. And then I know someone come up and slap me. I turn around. It was him. And then everybody like, oh, so I'm trying to get, and then I'm trying to go up and swing on one of the coaches. He'll hold me back. He was like, you deserved it, yada yada yada. And I'm like, what the hell is you talking about? And then I got suspended because of that. I ain't touched the dude or nothing. He didn't get suspended at all. It was really what made me mad. Yeah. Boom, this fight. The next fight, 7th grade. 7th grade, I got into two fights. The first fight was with one of my homeboys, Dante. We really fought over some stupid stuff. So, man, East Washington, we used to like play around, like see somebody at the water fountain, you gonna tap their head while they drinking the water fountain, drinking water, stuff like that. So, I seen my homeboy. Keep in mind, it's the day after my birthday. So, me, I'm just turned 13. My dad, he gave me $200. I'm going to the mall on that weekend. So, my birthday was on a Wednesday. So, then it's a Thursday. So, I go up there. We playing around, yada yada. I count home. I tapped his head, you feel me? He got up. He pushed me and I bumped to the water fountain. I'm like, what's wrong with you? So I pushed him back. And then y'all know, like, people get up to each other, like, chest to chest like that, mad, like, when they about to fight. And so we dropped, he was like, what? I dropped my book bag, he dropped his. We went up each other like that. And then, I backed up. I was gonna get ready. And then he swung, he hit me. And I grabbed him. And then we just started wrestling. And then, I think it was Charlie. He came and grabbed him and pulled him back. And we got up. And then, we got suspended for 5 days. and I had to go to a school here to see if I could go to OPEC or not. So, man, the last fight I ever had at school was 7th grade. Alright, so this, I had a homeboy named Clarence, but we still kind of cool to this day. So, I just learned, because if y'all had Instagram, I'm pretty sure someone used a follower app or a like app, these 2 followers and like stuff like that. So I found a real legit one, a legit app. And so I saw that he didn't have a lot of followers. So I'm like, hey, you need, I said, hey, give me your password and I'll get you some followers, like for real. So that's legit. He's like, alright, bet. He gave me his password. Keep in mind, he gave me his Instagram password. Boom, so this shit hit. And then so CSB's is the best chicken spot. It is best. Chick-fil-A, Cane's, all that. All that with your mama. I don't care. But what else? What was it? He only gave me his Instagram password. So, boom. I got it, I gave him the followers, whatever, and I lied out. This was on the Saturday when I did it. Sunday, I looked on his Snap, and it said, hey, I hope y'all accept me in this chain. I automatically knew what it was, because like, they had a little rainbow thing, he had the rainbow emoji. I'm like, this ain't Clarence. So, I'm chilling. We go to school. Next morning, we chill at the table. He walk up. He just go on the cafeteria table like, "Why you had into my Snap, y'all?" I'm like, "What you talking about?" Like, he said, "You had in my Snap." And said, "Okay." I'm like, "No, I didn't." So like, "Yes, you did." Because I gave you my Instagram password. My Instagram password was the same as my Snapchat password. I'm like, "What? How am I supposed to know that?" You feel me? So you're like, "It's okay. We're gonna fight." Keep in mind, I'm on school probation this time. So if I get into a fight, I'm either gonna be expelled or sent to OPEC. I ain't trying to have neither happen. So you feel me? I'm like, dude, chill out. So we talk this out. You feel me? But I'm like, and then for me, I'm just not gonna swing first on nobody for no reason. Now, if someone swing on me, I'm gonna defend myself. You feel me? And then so at lunch, I caught him. I was like, it was just me and him. So he was finna walk into the cafeteria. I was like, hey, I ain't even hacking your stuff, son. You feel me? I don't even do that. I mess with you. You feel me? I ain't do that. He was like, it's all good. We still gonna roll. I'm like, all right. So after lunch, people come up to me and say, you and Clarence gonna fight after school? Yeah. I'm like, man, if he hit me, I'm gonna defend myself. You feel me? He swing, I'm gonna defend myself. Mm-hmm. And that's all. We get up to the gym. After the gym, outside the gym, it's where the bus stop is. So I'm walking to the bus stop. I see him. He had a big old crowd circling around him, just waiting for me to come out there just so I can fight him. You feel me? So me, I'm like, nah, I ain't finna do this. So I walk around the crowd. Then I'm trying to get to the bus. He break through the crowd. He come, boom, he snuck me. He snuck me. He hit me. I turned around, I slammed him. I started punching on him again. And then, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, oh. And coach came and grabbed me. They were like, this your second fight? I was finna, they were like, he said, this your first fight? And I was finna say, yeah, but the other administrator was like, nah, this is second. They were like, oh, you're recommended for exposure. I was like, dang. And then so, I went home. home. I told my people what happened. I ain't even in trouble. Yeah. Well, I went to the remember I had to go to a hearing. I beat that. They let me go back to school. That's it. That's how the fights I really had at school. So, I got lyric pranks. I'm finna start doing lyric pranks. So I'm gonna at least drop one of them a week. I'm finna start dropping at least either once every week, either one or 2 times every other week, or once a week. But if I don't drop, like say a week, I don't drop, just know the next week 2 videos gonna drop. So, and I'm also gonna start a gaming channel with me and 2 of my homeboys. We're gonna start a gaming channel real soon. So when that start, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm having a link in the description and all that. But that's it for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's it.